My dad was into cars, came up racing. He used to work for Lingenfelter, and once I got done at Miami University, went to work for Lingenfelter myself, and of course there we specialized in LS engines. We were doing the twin turbo kit on the C5 Corvettes back then, and just how much power those made was pretty incredible. So I ended up putting the LT engine, the modern LT engine, in my Jeep there. Mike Wittkopf came from MSD Performance down in El Paso. Had a '69 Dodge Dart, was my first car. My dad and I put a 440 six-pack in it when I was 14 years old. I've been addicted to cars ever since, I guess. Like the Fords and stuff too. I got a '88 Mustang with a 351 in it at home too. That was my drag race car for a while here, and doesn't matter, racing, road racing, drag racing. I did Stock Eliminator for a while, SCCA, done a little bit of everything. It's 1976 CJ-7 Renegade. So I had the original AMC 304 in it with the Quadra-Track and the GM TH400 transmission. All that's gone now. It's actually one of the new 5.3 DI motors out of a 2018 Silverado in that one. 4L60, so it's got the 4-speed transmission. Incredible power difference from the 120 horsepower it used to have. I've got a Raceback UDX dashboard in there that I've had in there since I built the Jeep. Terminator X on there with the new direct injection system. Did a little bit of testing with the Jeep before that came out. Frostbite radiator, got one of our fans on there. A lot of Earl's line, fuel line, transmission line, a lot of different products on there. It's come together very well. I did the body restoration on it, frame and all that restoration, and suspension lift in the wheels and tires. About every year it goes through some major upgrade. They're original late 70s wheels. They really reminded me of the A-Team van. Hopefully one of my next purchases will be one of the anvil winches. I want to get there on the front as well. I've got the bumper for it. It's got the winch mount and everything. My dad was a huge car guy. He loved AMCs, so the fact that it's an original AMC and it's as old as I am, it's really one that is going to stick with me for a while and remain the project.